welcome to my channel. Viewers, Wolf Allies performed at Brit Awards 2026. And was wow, what a stunning performance from Wolf Allies at Brit Awards 2026, where she was wearing a black shirt and pant, and yes, it was a all in black performance, and it was a stunning performance from Wolf Allies. I was expecting a great performance from Wolf Allies at Brit Awards, and it was a marvelous performance, and I gave her 10 out of 10 marks for her brilliant performance. Check out, guys, it is a must watch performance from Wolf Allies.